Hello and welcome to this unboxing of the LAPCARE ChillMate laptop cooler and stand. So as you can see, this is the box that the laptop cooler and stand comes in. That's what it looks like over there. I'll just open it up and show it to you. But let's go across some of the features of this product. So it says it has double 12.5 centimeter ultra quiet fans. So these are the two fans that it has over here. So each of them measure 12.5 centimeters. It has two USB ports for multiple device usage. Okay. It's angle modulated design for comfortable operation, unique non-slip design, ensures better laptop grip, and it has an elegant rubber feature. Okay, on the same over here it says the same thing, the double fan. It's suitable for up to 15.6-inch laptops, and it has of course two USB ports with blue LED. Okay, let's turn it around the back, see if there's anything else that is given. So it gives the dimensions of the product. The fan speed is 1000 RPM, give or take 10%. It's made out of ABS and iron net. It weighs 685 grams, and the noise the fans make are 15 dB. Okay, so that's the information on the back. Let's go ahead and open this up. Okay. So there you go. This comes wrapped, nicely bubble wrapped. That's the cooler. I'll just take it out. Along with this, you get some documentation, and you get a cable. This is to connect to your laptop. So it's a USB to USB cable. Let's put the box to the side. And let's take a look at the actual product itself. So this is the top of the product. As you can see, you can clearly see the two fans down here. The LAPCARE logo is visible here. This over here are two locks. So when you actually put your laptop on top, this will prevent it from sliding down. At the back, again, this is the stand that's given, and I'll show it to you from the side. So this is the stand that's given, and these are the different height adjustments that you can put it on. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 different adjustments depending on how much of an angle you want it. This is the least that it can go. All right. Let me try to turn it on for you. The USB ports are at the back, as you can see. I have a laptop right in front which I'll connect it to, and it'll come on. There you go. So the idea is, of course, your laptop should be on top of this, and it's going to keep your laptop cool. And as you can see, the lights, the two LED lights which are lighting up right here. So there you have it. So that was the unboxing of the LAPCARE ChillMate laptop cooler and stand. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.